Hello traders, Rich here, and here's a quick but detailed update on Dow Jones. As usual, if you guys like video analysis, let me know in the comments or simply leave a like. So let's get started. As we clearly see, Dow Jones has been overall bullish for a while, making higher lows and higher highs, trading inside this rising brown channel. And as we are overall bullish, we always look for the correction to be about to end to catch what? The next impulse movement upward. However, we can't really know where the correction would end. It can end here, or even dive deeper before going higher. That's why, even though we are overall bullish, we don't buy blindly. We always look for two things. The first one is a key rejection level, and in our case, it's the 35K round number. So price can trade higher from here because we've got a round number, and as you can see, it's a minor support and resistance zone. It was acting as a resistance previously, then price broke it upward, so it's now acting as a support, and price is retesting the support. That's why we are looking for buy setups, knowing that if this area is broken downward, then a movement to the lower brown trend line acting as a non-horizontal support would be expected, where we'll be looking for new buy setups. That's the first thing. The second thing is we always zoom into lower time frames and wait for the buyers to take over again because we are clearly bearish even from a short-term perspective, right? So correction, impulse. So we're currently in a correction phase and you don't want to buy a correction or a bearish market, even though it's from a lower time frame. We always zoom into lower time frames and look for the buyers to kick in. This way, the long-term view would be bullish and also the short-term view would be bullish. That's exactly when we want to enter. So that being said, we are overall bullish around a rejection, potential rejection area 35K. That's why we'll zoom into lower time frames to look for buy setups. If you zoom into M30 time frame, you can see that as mentioned from daily. We are in a correction phase, so we are overall bearish. The price is making lower highs and lower lows, trading inside this red channel. So for the bulls to take over, and as per my trading plan, I'll be waiting for the last high to be broken upward. Then and only then the bulls would take over, and we would expect a movement upward. In this case, we would enter a buy. As usual, I'll make this one in purple, and when the buy is activated, the stop loss would go just below the previous swing low, which we can't really know where it would be, but for now it would be here. And we target a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, which would be around the upper trend line, acting as a non-horizontal resistance, or what I consider an overbought area. Meanwhile, as mentioned from daily, until the buyers kick in and break above this previous high, we can still trade lower and lower till around the brown trend line before the bulls would take over. In this case, we're waiting for a new swing, for example, to form around the upper right trend line to consider it our new trigger swing, and we'll be buying on break upward. But for now, and as per the current price action, we'll be waiting for this. This would be our trigger. For those who already know me, I always highlight it as my trigger swing, and which is waiting for a momentum candle close above it for the buyers to prove control. And we have a support area here, which is the 35. Okay, that's it for Dow Jones. Best of luck, and I'll see you on the next one.